Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up MetaMask. First, navigate to the official MetaMask website using your web browser. Locate the download button and select your browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Brave. Click Install MetaMask for your browser, and then Add to your browser in the subsequent pop-up window. Confirm by clicking Add Extension to complete the installation process. This ensures you have the legitimate and secure version. Once installed, click the MetaMask Fox icon in your browser's toolbar. You'll see a welcome screen. Choose Create a new wallet to start fresh. Read and accept the terms of service carefully. Next, you'll need to create a strong, unique password. This password will protect your wallet on this specific device, so make it memorable but complex, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This is the most critical step, securing your secret recovery phrase. MetaMask will present you with 12 words. Write these words down precisely in the correct order on a piece of paper. Do not store it digitally. This phrase is the master key to your funds. Anyone with it can access your wallet. Keep it in a safe, private place, like a locked safe or a secure vault, and never share it. To ensure you've correctly recorded your secret recovery phrase, MetaMask will ask you to re-enter the words in the correct sequence. Carefully select each word in the order you wrote them down. After successful confirmation, click Confirm to complete the setup. Congratulations! Your MetaMask wallet is now fully set up and ready for you to send, receive, and manage your cryptocurrency and NFTs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.